Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. To my surprise, I found some stuff locally this week. These are the Majorette Monster Rockers. So these are like the monster trucks by Majorette. These are the features they have. And this is what the back looks like. Usually these are sold here. I've seen them before being sold for between €4.79 and €4.99. I was lucky enough to find them in this store for only €3.54, so that's pretty cheap. And I found the whole set, all 5 of them. So these will be reviewed and opened by me in the next Saturday Majorette video. So you can look forward to that. And then first I need to show the advertising folder for this store. This is really funny. So this is how these were advertised. Cars, Diecast 5-pack, and then they show a picture of a Hot Wheels 5-pack. You can see the price difference here, but still a little bit more than I actually want to pay. There will be a store that will sell these for $5.99 the coming weeks or months, so I will be getting the rest of them then, because I did not pick up all of them that I found, only the most interesting ones that I really wanted to have. So they had 2018 and 2019 Matchbox 5-packs. This is the Coffee Cruisers one. As you can see, it is not written here, the name. Very interesting, very cool to have this 65th anniversary one. I thought I would never find it. Well, I found it once at the NAMAC event, but the German seller was asking €12 for it. So I was not willing to pay that. So lucky I have it for almost half that amount, so that's cool. I will be opening this up in a theme video, because you know most of you have seen these opened up already, so not going to bore you with that now. And happy to see on the 2019 International 5-packs the name of the 5-pack has reappeared. I think that's quite some years ago since we had the names on there again. So very cool, the Blue Highways one and the Service Squad one. These 3 in particular are what interests me. And then the No Road, No Problem, just cool with the mud splatters, and you know there's a Golf VW in there and stuff. So this is the only one I don't really care for. So interesting all in all. And then got a shipment in from Japan. This time no sale cars. These I paid full price, although they were still very affordable. These are not the ones I ordered in June. Those I have already shown all of them. These were ordered later on, and they are all by one certain brand. And yeah, it's that brand over there. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can show it this way. This brand. So I'm going to do a separate video about these two, because I think they deserve that. No TLV in it though. Tomica Limited Vintage. Those are a little bit too pricey for me. They're very nice nonetheless, but yeah, I'm not going to buy those. But some other Tomica stuff. So that will be a separate video. So this was a little bit of a preview video for stuff that is going to be coming on my channel. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.